Today is day 2 of the brand build challenge and me building the Zap brand in the space of 2 weeks. And in day 1, we were able to identify key components of the brand that we'll be working on, which was the name, which is the Zap brand, its industry, the logistics and delivery industry, and also key components like the brand purpose, the brand vision statement, and the brand mission statement. All these were identified yesterday, which was day 1 task. Today is day 2, and the task we'll be trying to accomplish is identifying its target audience. A huge part of brand building is identifying who you are building this brand for. If you don't know who you are building for, you don't know how to communicate, and therefore the entire brand building process crumbles, or at the end of the brand building process, you've built for no one. So let's identify the target audience for the Zap brand. And the prompt we'll be using is, who does your brand serve? And how exactly are you planning to communicate to them? What's your unique solution that you are providing to them, right? So that means you are going to be identifying key components, the problem they face and where they stay, and how do you think they will perceive your brand. I'll be running you through how you can come up with your own brand target audience. And if you've selected a name and an industry and you've done what they want as required of you, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So the first thing you actually want to do is sort of do a broad thought process where you're like, okay, since my purpose as a wellness brand is to provide skincare and spa treatments to especially women and maybe models, right? Women and models. You want to align whatever it is that you're doing in terms of your target audience with that. My brand is a wellness brand. Wellness brand named Kurai Wellness. Help me, and our brand purpose is to provide wellness and spa treatment, skincare, wellness and spa treatments to women and models. Help me come up with an audience analysis or a target audience analysis, and it should sort of help you develop something, right? Very easy. You can adjust it as you deem fit, right? Based on your overall brand design. You can streamline it more and then flesh it out. So in day 3 or day 4, you will realize and see how your target analysis has helped you shape a very good mood board and direction for your overall brand identity system that you're building. So for the Zap brand, we'll be looking at the urban Alex, right, which is somebody who is a hustler, who is always on the go, who is always on the move, and he needs things done quickly, right? That's what the Zap brand is all about. You're about to make your life easier. The age group for the urban Alex is between the ages of 22 to 45. And they live in the urban settlements or the suburbs where everything is always on the go, and we are here to make their lives easier. The Zap brand, right? The Zap logistics, or whatever you want to call it. And in order to further break it down, you have to understand what is their lifestyle and behavior. We've already said they are very, very on the go, and life always moves at a fast pace for them. So the very first individual that falls into this category, are the tech savvy individuals. They are possibly around the ages of 22 to 30 something, right? And they are very comfortable on their phones, and they are very comfortable with using mobile apps and digital platforms for solutions. The second category are the time-conscious individuals. They are always particular about quick solutions, whether it is ordering something online or ordering food or having something delivered right to their doorstep. The third and the fourth categories are the convenience seekers, who are just about getting things made easy for them. They don't like stress, right? Stress-free individuals. And the urban hustlers. These people just are juggling a lot of things and they need somebody to bridge the gap in between the problems that they face. And we are here to provide them that solution. And that is it about the Zap brand's target audience. So to further understand your target audience, you have to identify some of their pain points. And for the Zap brand, their pain points can range from unreliable services to slow delivery or inconsistent timing in deliveries. Also maybe crashing of the app, unable to track their orders, or you can also find out that maybe a lot of the other competitors are having high costs on pricing for placing orders. We are here to make it easy. Further analysis, you want to be looking at some of the current delivery brands, especially in Nigeria. You look at the current delivery system from Glovo to Gokada and the rest, right? And analyze how they are functioning and what their weaknesses might be and how we can seek to improve it. Because the point of audience analysis is not just, these are the people I'm creating for. You are trying to break into a market and you need to kind of shake things up with the competitors you find in that market. You're not going to go there and then people are going to trust you. You're going to have to provide something different to the target audience. So the key differentiators for Zap that I will be trying to infuse for my target audience are the lightning fast delivery. We're going to be doing something like, hey, if you order us and you get it, if you don't get it in 30 minutes, you get it for free. Stop something like that, right? And it's not just about making it catchy or fun. It's about actually delivering on that promise, right? So if we know that we can deliver on promise, then we put it there, right? And then we'll be looking at stuff like making it seamless, so your orders can be made using AI, integrations, right? Just maybe in cooperation with like making order with voice command alongside with your health app, just to make orders, and then the app remind you, hey, you're trying to watch your weight, come on now, chill on the burgers, right? So something like that. And then in our delivery we can be using drones and some modern or futuristic elements. So in this brief segment, you've been able to understand the Zap target audience clearly, and so therefore we can define the brand identity in line with this understanding. And again, this is just to give you an understanding on how to tackle day two's challenge. Remember, the prompt is, who do we serve as a brand? And this question is necessary because designing is not just about designing something fine or something aesthetically pleasing. It's about solving a problem and identifying a problem for a particular set of individuals, and providing that solution is how you build a functional brand. So I hope this helps. Again, remember, it's for us to just keep track of our progress, improve our skills, have better understanding of branding, and just be overall better brand designers. So again, check the comment section or follow me on my social media page and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more updates on this progress. Follow me as I build something beautiful, as we build something beautiful. Until the next one, stay creative. Cheers.